What's up, Fish Life? OZW coming back at you live from Lake Athens, Texas, home of Z-Dub's personal best. You guys saw it on video a couple weeks ago. Got my boy Jeff with me today, former kicker for North Texas Mean Green. Jeff's a good buddy of mine. Our kids grew up, played high school ball together, so we're gonna have a good time today. We gonna pretty good conditions today, thick overcast, a little off and on drizzly rain, so we're gonna be slinging them whacks and frogs. We're gonna go out deep, hit a few brush piles, so who knows? Could be a pretty special day. Y'all come with us, check it out. We're gonna have a good time.
I missed him. Nope, I still got him.
I'll both put them on.
Halfway back.
Very nice right there. Nice little Athens, Texas largemouth on the old wacky worm. Love it.
You got one hand? Need help?
Big old thing of grass coming at you. Oh, look at that.
That worked.
Dang. Right here with it. Let's show him off the camera.
The old power worm. Lots of grass out here.
Show him where we are, Han. Get up there real close. Closer.
You see that? We have a waypoint. Right. We have the fish that we checked.
Let me see what that waypoint says while you get the hook out and put him back. Pad pocket. This pocket features boat docks, pads, and grass along the edges. Frogs early and late. Weightless plastics, swim jigs, and light Texas rigs. What you throwing there, Han?
A very light Texas.
Little light Texas rig. What do you know? Fish Life out. Strikes again. Wasn't that pretty cool? We see this spot on the app talking about a pad pocket, fish the edges and the boat docks with. I didn't know they'd be up this shallow. I mean, quite this shallow. We're in 5 foot of water, but the app says they were here. And what do we do? You come right on in here and what?
I believe that the app had 3 or 4 different scenarios of what to catch them on. And I used the light Texas rig because that was one of the options. I threw a frog, didn't get it, the Texas rig in the grass, and he ate it up.
I don't know why we can't get a frog bite in here. It's overcast, a little drizzly rain. We've heard 2 or 3 of them just completely blow up about a foot into the pads there, but they just don't like my frogs. But that's fine because they'll eat that Texas rig. And you know ZW, he's all about the whack, baby. If it says weightless plastics, I'm gonna have a whack in my hand. 5.5 pounds. Nice. Got him here. Oh, frogfish, come on.
Little frogfish.
Come on, baby. We've been trying it all day, hadn't we?
I was not going to give up on a frogfish on a cloudy day.
A good one or?
Nah. He's a fun one though.
Nice. Go into the camera.
That's a nice future 10-pound Athens, Lake Athens bass. And here goes another one. Here goes another one. Are they starting to turn on?
Not a bad little Athens fish right there. Shoot, yeah. We'll take it.
That tournament today, that would have weighed.
Yes, sir. Oh. I was around your hand.
It's all right.
Still got him?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe, huh? Yep, that came loose. It came. He's still there. I was hung on something. Is that brush pile?
I don't know. I didn't see a brush pile. Ooh, not too bad. What are you gonna do, man?
I thought.
Ah, darn. Not a bad little fish on the old flutter spoon.
It's not as big as your other one, but it's a nice one.
Yeah, that's
Not
good
bad
fish.
at all.
Man,
What?
bro, can we show the people what we doing here and what we caught?
Oh, I held it up. I'm so sorry. I'm new at this filming stuff. I'm just excited to have caught a fish.
All right. All right. Hey, I'm sorry about that.
Oh,
Damn,
no.
That's what happens when you take a rookie fishing, but let me show you. Let me at least try to show you this. Let me pull up my app package, which closed on me a second ago. Lake Athens. All right, you can see that waypoint. See right where we are. And it says it's a hump out in the middle of nowhere. I mean, I'd have never known there was a hump right here. Because I have Lake Master and it doesn't show a hump out here. This hump is holding good fish, Carolina Ridge jigs and flutter spoons. So Jeff's been dying to throw a flutter spoon all day, so he did it. And then
10, 15 casts, and that was it.
And then he just nonchalantly just throws the fish back like we're not trying to film for you guys. All right, that'll be the last time that happens, so sorry about that. But yeah, pretty cool, man. That's awesome. Nice job, JG.
Sorry about that.
It's all good. They know. But hey, our followers know. They know a rookie when they see it. I want to throw in behind it. See how you get behind that grass? What you gonna do?
Because
Your frog was gone.
I was waiting. I just didn't see it pop up.
Oh, frogfish. Show him to the camera, please. I know he ain't no giant, but
Frogfish.
doing here? Yeah, that's not a bad fish. Anything go in there? Nope. Got him? Not a bad one at all there, bro. Ooh. Good job.
Zach brought me out here for the frog fishing. I've been begging him to go, and I have to give it to him. It's been a long, hard day, but the frog fishing is here at Lake Athens.
Nice one here.
Yeah, a little bit for him.
Got him here.
Well, we're gonna have to
Stay tight. Stay tight on him. Still on there?
I had him because I could feel him.
No, I saw him. Yeah, he's on there.
Bam! I think frogfish. There's another one. Another good frogfish, and boy, they are hammering it. Yeah. Good cloud cover, the rain. We're hoping to
Hey, sometimes you got to get the dinks out of the way to catch the giant next time. There you go. Hey guys, so we are on the way back from Athens. We fished a dang near dark. Completely forgot to do an outro on the lake, but pretty good grind for us today. Honestly, expected a lot better with overcast, little front blowing through, a little bit cooler weather, but man, they had lockjaw today. We were able to get on some fish on them fish light spots, as you saw in the video. No giants, but had a lot of fun. Jeff, what do you think, man? Did you have a good time?
I had a great time. It was a grind. I have to admit, Athens may be one of the fishiest looking lakes that I've been fishing with you on, and just waiting on that frog to blow up. That's the highlight of my day, and I enjoyed it. We got to see that several times. It took us a while, but it was a great time.
Man, that's a great point. There wasn't a place we threw a bait today where you didn't think, man, something's fitting to nail it or whatever. But hey, you know, it wasn't our day from a big fish standpoint, but you know, we were able to catch, I don't know, 10, 11 fish. That being said, we didn't even get on the water till 1 o'clock. Right. So, you know, all in all, not too bad, but it'll be better next time. Y'all know ZW ain't gonna stay down for long. He gonna get back to Athens and catch one of them big girls. So, hey, appreciate everybody watching. If you want to see more, click that subscribe button down at the bottom. But see you guys next time on Fish Life Outdoors.